friends, so again it's me Dalsha and please welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in this session I'm going to continue with the method of separation of variable, which is the method of partial differential equations. So as you know that previously we have just completed the homogeneous linear partial differential equations, and in which we have found the complete integral. It means complete solution. It means we can say that you have found the complementary functions as well as particular integral, right? So in this session I'm going to continue with the new method, and which is too much important for the exams because it will be of 7 marks example. Okay, so let's start with this new method, and here I have written this. The separation of variables is also known as the Fourier method. It's another name, and it is known as by Fourier method. It's not a Fourier integral, it's a Fourier method. It is powerful technique to solve partial differential equations. So this method is explained with the help of the following examples. So let's start with its examples, guys. And here you can see that I have written its first question, that solve x into del u by del x minus 2y del u by del y equals to 0. Okay. I hope guys you all know that we are doing from partial differential equations. Okay. So definitely its notation will be del u by del x or del u by del y. It will be not d by dx or d by dy. Okay. Because we are doing partial differential equations. So its notation will be only always del form. Okay. So here in this method, first of all you have to write one solution. I'm starting with its solution, guys. Okay, so first of all you have to take a supposition of u function. So I'm writing here, let the solution be, okay, कौन सा solution बनेगा? That will be u of x comma y equals to x into the y. यहाँ पे जो मैंने लिखा है small x and small y, it's nothing but it's a components of capital X and capital Y. It means actually we having a term x into the y only. It means we are taking a supposition that u of x comma y. See, u is a function of x and y. That will be known by this equation, that here it's written del u by del x, u with respect to x, and here it's written u with respect to y. So definitely we can say that u is a function of x and the y. So that's why I have written here x comma y. Now see, suppose here it's given del u by del x and del u by del t. Okay, then we can say that u is a function of x and small t. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा u of x comma t. Okay, so that will be depends on this question. So u of x comma y equals to x into the y. That we are going to actually take a supposition. Okay, that x into the y, where what is x? It is a components of small x, and what is capital Y? It is a components of small y. Okay, so that's why I have written here x of x and y of small y. Okay, now you have to find these both the components, यानी कि del u by del x and del u by del y. So now I am writing here that therefore del u by we are doing with respect to x, as well as you have to find with respect to y, and del u by del y. So this both the components you have to find. So what will be u with respect to x? आपके पास यहाँ पे u है, you have to do with respect to x derivative. Okay, so x का derivative होगा, so it will be x dash, y will be constant, so I am keeping as it is, and here you have to do u with respect to y. So in this both the components you have to do the derivative of y, so definitely the x will be constant and y will be y dash. Okay, and now you have to put these all the values that you have found here, that these all the values you have to put in the given equation. Okay, so I'm writing now substituting these all values in the given equation so that it will be x as it is रहेगा. So therefore x will be as it is and this del u by del x will be x dash y minus 2y as it is, del u by del y यानी कि x into the y dash equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to just separate the variables. As you can see, the name of the method is the separation of variable. So now you have to just separate the variables x into the x forms and y into the y form. Okay. So I'm just separating the variables so that for that I'm dividing this both the term dividing by capital XY so that you can get x I'm applying this term here, so 2y upon y equals to, I'm taking a supposition because you have to find its solution, and to find its solution here you have to take one supposition. So I'm applying its k. So what I did, I've just applied divided this term by x, capital X and capital Y. So एक्स वाई के साथ आप डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या बचेगा, यहाँ पे वाई वाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो रिमेनिंग टर्म विल बी ओनली एक्स. और हियर ऑल्सो आई एम अप्लाइंग डिवाइडिंग बाय एक्स वाई, सो एक्स विल बी कैंसल आउट and the remaining term will be y. So now this one term equals to we can write k, as well as this y term equals to we can write k. So that now its simplification will be so therefore x into capital X upon x equals to k, and the another one we can write 2y capital Y dash upon y equals to k. ठीक है. And now you have to solve these both the equations one by one. Okay. So solving this both equations, okay. So solving these both the equations. Now to solve these both the equations, here you have to integrate the term. Okay. So first of all I am doing for this one, for the x terms, so that it will be and I am rewriting this term so that it will be therefore x dash upon x equals to k upon x. Okay. And if we simplify this term, then it will be y dash upon y equals to k upon 2y. Okay. But right now first of all I am doing for this one. Okay. Now we have to take an integration. Okay. So I am writing here so taking integration. Okay. So integrating this whole term so that it will be log x. x का जो डेरिवेटिव है वो ऊपर है, it is on numerator, so that's why you can write here log x. Okay. Equals to k constant और यहाँ पे 1 upon x का होगा log small x. Okay. And I'm adding one constant. As you know all that by doing the integration, one constant will be added. So I'm as a constant I'm adding the term log c1. ठीक है. So therefore log x will be log x raised to k plus log c1. So that we can write log of x raised to k into the c1. This is log x. So that it will be x equals, now removing log on both the sides, so that you will get c1 into the x raised to k. This is a value of capital X, as well as you have to find the values of capital Y. So with same procedure I am applying here also. So writing here, taking integration, okay, so that this term will be, definitely it will be log y only because y का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है, माइनस सॉरी इक्वल्स टू k by 2 is constant and small y का होगा log y and adding constant log 2. Now log y raised to k by 2, I am shifting it into the its power, so that you can write here c2 into the y raised to k by 2, and here you all having log y. Now removing log on both the sides, you will get y equals to c2 y raised to k by 2. So this is the value for y. Now this both the value you have to put into the solution which we have supposed in initial, that is this one. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको वो सपोजिशन में पुट करना है x की और y की जगह पे. So that now writing so substituting these values in कौन से इक्वेशन में हम लोगों ने नाम नहीं दिया है गाइस, सो आई एम गिविंग इट्स नेम इक्वेशन नंबर 1. हियर आई एम गिविंग इट टू इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ठीक है. सो पुटिंग दिस ऑल द वैल्यूज इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, so that you will get u of x comma y equals to x into y. x यानी कि c1 x raised to k and the value of y will be c2 y raised to k by 2, and so that you can write c1 c2 x raised to k into y raised to k by 2, and c1 c2 I am supposing one constant, I am giving its name capital A, so that it will be a into x raised to k y raised to k by 2, and this is the value of x comma y. So this one will be your final answer, and as you have to write here what is the value of a, that is c1 into the c2. And here I have written a second example. So I am starting with its solution. These examples again you have to do with the same as the first examples. Okay, so first of all you have to write its supposition. So that I am writing its let the solution be okay, I am taking its supposition. So u of x comma y, as you can see in the question it's given u with respect to x, u with respect to y, right? So that's why you have to write here u of x comma y will be capital X is a function of small x and capital Y is a function of small y. So that it is nothing but x into the y, and this is x comma u x comma y. Okay, and now you can observe in the question you have to find two kind of derivatives, u with respect to x, u with respect to y. So therefore I'm finding now del u by del x will be x dash y and del u by del y will be x into the y dash, as we did in the first example. Okay, now definitely you have to put these all the values into the given equation, right? So I'm writing here substituting in the given equation so that it will be okay. Now putting these all the values into the first equation, okay, I mean into the equation, so that it will be x dash y plus del u by del y यानी कि x y dash equals to 2x plus y will be as it is, and u that we have supposed here, and it will be capital X into the capital Y. Okay, now I'm just opening this bracket so that it will be 2x capital X into Y plus 2 into Y capital X into capital Y, और यहाँ पे जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मैं उसको एज इट इज ही रख रही हूँ, ठीक है. So therefore, okay, now you have to as you know all that, now you have to separate the variables. Okay, so capital X के फॉर्म में जो है और small x के फॉर्म में, and same as y and capital capital Y and small y, that you have to separate the variables. So for that I am writing now x dash y, इसको मैं ऐसे ही लिख रही हूँ, यहाँ पे जो टर्म है that I am shifting here, so that it will be minus 2x capital X into the capital Y equals to, so I'm right hand side I am writing this one term as it is 2y x y minus xy dash, this one. Okay, now I'm just taking out the common, whatever the factor will be common, so x dash minus 2x into capital X and y will be common term, as well as here it will be 2y, यहाँ पे x कॉमन निकलेगा 2y into the capital Y minus y dash, और यहाँ पे आएगा capital X. Okay, as you can see here you can observe that see यहाँ पे मैंने x के फॉर्मेट में सेपरेट किया है, यहाँ पे मैंने y के फॉर्मेट में सेपरेट किया है, और यहाँ से अभी क्या करना है, हमें y को निकालने का है और यहाँ से x को रिमूव करना है. So for that you have to divide this both the factors by x and y, so that it will be, so क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पे x dash minus 2x capital X upon x equals to 2y capital Y minus y dash upon y equals to k. This one I am taking a supposition. I hope guys till the procedure you all are getting. Okay, now as you know all that this one term equals to you have to apply k, and this one term of y again equals to you have to apply k, so that it will be x dash minus 2xx upon x equals to k, and the another one 2y capital Y minus y dash upon y equals to k. Okay, and now you have to after the simplification you have to take integration. ठीक है, and so for that little bit more I'm giving simplification. I'm just putting separate the terms. So x dash upon x minus x यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. So minus 2x equals to k. एंड यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा 2y माइनस y डैश अपॉन y इक्वल्स टू k. आप लोग देख सकते हो दिस बोथ टर्म आर टोटल into the separation form now. Okay, and here I am giving little bit more simplification, that y dash upon y plus 2y equals to k, ताकि आपको easy रहे. Okay, now you have to just solve the equations, both the equations. Okay, so that's why I am writing here solving both the equations. So first of all I am solving this equation. So for that we have to take integration. So I am writing here. Now integrating you will get log capital X minus 2, x का होगा x square by 2 equals to यहाँ k का होगा kx. और आप लोग देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे log की टर्म हर एक के पास नहीं है. ओके, एज लाइक द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. what was in the first example, it was like two terms was into the were into the log term, logarithmic form. So that's why as a constant we have added the constant into the logarithmic form. Okay, but here all the terms are not in the logarithmic form, so that's why I'm only writing constant as a c1. Okay, now this 2 will be cancelled out, so that log x minus x square equals to kx plus c1, so that it will be log x equals to x square plus kx plus c1, so x will be e raised to x square plus kx plus c1. Now I am separating like this, and this e raised to c1 I am taking one supposition as a capital A. So e raised to x square plus kx, this is your x. So I hope guys you all are getting. And similarly here also I am integrating the term. Okay, so again doing integration here, so that it will be minus log capital Y plus 2, y का इंटीग्रेशन होगा, it will be y square by 2, right, equals to k y plus, as a constant I am adding c2. Now these two will be cancelled out, and applying I'm making this term positive, so that it will be log y minus y square equals to minus ky minus c2, so that it will be log capital Y equals to, shifting this y square here. Okay, and therefore we can write y equals to e raised to y square minus ky minus c2. Now I am separating this term, so it will be this one, and in this place I am writing capital B. I am taking one more supposition, so it will be this one, and this is your answer of capital Y. So now you got the values of x and y, and now you have to put this both the values x and y, that is into the first equation. In this examples again we forgot to give it equation number 1, so I am giving here equation number 1. Okay, so now putting these both the values in this equation. Okay, so that you will get here u of x comma y equals to, okay, now putting the value of x, so that it will be a into e raised to x square plus kx, and putting y yani ki b into e raised to y square minus ky, and this capital A and B equals to, I am taking one more supposition as a constant c. Okay, so e raised to x square plus kx plus y square minus ky, as this both of the BCs are same. Okay, so this one will be your final answer, guys. And I'm writing here where AB equals to, I'm writing C. So this one will be your final answer. ये बहुत ईजीएस्ट मेथड है गाइस, और ये एग्जाम में 7 मार्क्स की आ रही है. एंड फॉर मोर प्रैक्टिसेस आई एम गिविंग यू some more examples, and here you can see that I am giving you a third example with the same procedure only, and if you want to do practice. So guys, if you liked my today's session, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my today's session. Thank you guys.